Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited traffic without any traffic to any affiliate link. Yes, I understand the title, it doesn't make sense what you're trying to say. You could get unlimited traffic without any traffic. I'm going to explain this in very much details. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please smash the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get all my future video updates. Now, you know that I have been talking about this one program that gives you 100 leads every single day on completely autopilot without having to build a landing page, without having to drive any kind of traffic, and without having to have a third party autoresponder. So I'm going to show you, this is a program, and I've been sending out emails, couple of emails. So I'm going to show you my statistic down here, and I'm going to show you that, look at this. I've been sending out emails. The last email I sent was today, I guess. Yep, 17 October 2022. I sent out 5,700 I sent an email out to 5,700 people. So far, 2 clicks. You could see all these clicks, you could see all these opens, and so far good. I have generated my first sale from this traffic from a network called Warrior Plus, and I'm going to show you that. Check this out. Warrior Plus affiliate sale. You earned $8.48 sale from 7-figure affiliate system. This came on 14 October, which was 3 days ago, and I'm going to show you the proof as well, because on 14 October, which email did I send out? This is the email I sent out 14 October. Let's just click on it, and here's the link. Let's see where this takes me to. All right, there you go, 7figureaffiliatesystem.com. All right, so this is a very, so far good, yeah. Just generated my first sale from an affiliate network, right? All right, let's just go back. Generated my first sale from an affiliate network using this program that's giving me 100 plus leads every single day into my account. I don't have to build a landing page. I didn't drive any kind of traffic. I don't need a third-party autoresponder to do this. I'm using their system to send out these emails. Now check this out. You can see this every day. This is coming into my account so far. Let me just show you. All right, let me go to the mailing system and let me see how many leads do I have so far. I'm going to select all, and I have 5,700 subscribers so far, and it's growing every single day. So using their program, I'm sending out email to this program, and I could promote Warrior Plus offers, Clickbank offers, JVZoo offers, Digistore offers. I could promote any make money online offer to these leads. And now this is my first sale from Warrior Plus, promoting an affiliate offer using their subscribers. Now more to come. All right, this is my first sale, more to come. So this is a very powerful program. Now, if you still haven't joined this program for some reason, I don't know what is stopping you. Fast action takers always win. If you still haven't joined, there's a link below this video in the description box. Click on that link, and when you click on that link, you're going to go to a page. You could watch the video, you could read through the whole page, and if you're happy and convinced, I highly recommend you join the program, start getting 100 leads daily into your account, and start sending out emails to these leads every single day, promoting any make money online offer. All right, and this is a very powerful program. The quick you do this, the more better, because if you start doing it now, you're going to start getting 100 leads. Then after 1 month, you're going to have 3,000 leads. After 1 year, you're going to have 36,000 subscribers sitting in your account where you can email them and send them to a make money online offer. All right, so the link is going to be in the description box below this video. If you can't find a link, then here's the website address. If you just open up a new tab and type this website address and hit enter, you're going to come to that page. Watch the video, read through the page, and if you're convinced, just join the program. And once you join the program, you're going to start getting 100 leads every single day on completely autopilot, without having to build a funnel, without having to drive any kind of traffic to a funnel to get these leads, and without having to have a third-party autoresponder. You use their program, their system to send these emails out, and when you do that, guess what? Potentially you will make sales. Like I just made my first sale promoting a Warrior Plus offer and this is an affiliate commission, all right? And a lot of people are promoting Clickbank offers, a lot of people are promoting other opportunities, and you could promote anything you want related to make money online. All right, so this was it. This is how to drive traffic. Basically sending out emails, you're driving traffic without any traffic. That means without having to get traffic to get these leads, because these leads are coming on completely autopilot into your program, into your system. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below this video. And also, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then I highly recommend you do that. You should see this red subscribe button anywhere on this page, below this page, to smash the red subscribe button. Don't wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes, my friend. Do it now. Smash the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and you will get updates all my future videos related to make money online, affiliate offers, affiliate marketing, lead generation, traffic generation, free traffic, paid traffic, work from home, and also Clickbank success. All right, so smash that red subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.